kind of guarantee can I give? Welcome, I'm Tim Frey and I help online coaches scale to 100K months. Today, I'm talking to you about why your offer isn't selling and how to fix it. If you guys want to get this download, go to the link in the description now, enter your details and I'll send that to you straight away so you can fill it in as we're going. So this exact process helped one of my clients in India add a 14K website project, and all she did was nail her offer. Offer is honestly one of the most important things when it comes to marketing, because we need to put out a great offer online and that'll attract the right type of people. I know like Hormozy says this all the time, but like your offer should be so good that it sells itself. And this is part of that process, a very simple way of doing that. So this is kind of like level one, simplicity of the offer. There's depth to this, but I'm gonna give you guys the simple nuts and bolts today. The key concept today is we're building an offer with the big six, okay? I call it the big six. This is invented, put a TM on it, put a logo on it, whatever it is. But we've got the person, the problem, the way or the method. We have the outcome, the timeline, and the guarantee. I'm going to go into depths on these in a minute. It works because your prospect can see the offer is for them, has a clear value proposition, and has a guarantee. This is key. Guarantee is key. Why most offers fail is honestly most people don't even have an offer or a good offer, but it's too broad, it's not specific, and they don't promise results in X timeline. Okay, and this is not like gun to your head, get a result with someone, otherwise, you know, you're going to die in jail or rot forever. This is just shows that you know what you're doing and you back yourself in. So the model here, guys, is you need to have a specific problem, you need to have a specific way, a methodology, a unique mechanism, and you need to go after a specific niche or a person. Once you have all three of those, it's cash money, it's printing money. So the teach today is we need the who, so the specific person. Who are you going after, okay? For my example here is online coaches, very specific. I could go a layer deeper on that and say online fitness coaches, online business coaches, online nutrition coaches, online mindset coaches. So the specific problem that our niche has is they don't have a repeatable marketing system that generates leads and sales on tap. Okay, it has to work 24/7. That's what we do. The specific way or our unique mechanism is the success school method, which I'll go into in a minute and I'll explain that. So you need all three of those. We need a specific niche, we need a specific problem, and we need a specific methodology or way that you get a result. You guys can download this sheet, go through it and build this out. Next up, we have the promise. Okay, so there has to be an outcome. Our promise in our accelerator program was, before we closed it and turned it into our mastermind program, add $10,000 to your revenue or we'll work for free until you do. Okay, very specific promise. How can we actually promise that? Is because we back our methodology to get that result if the person or the client does the work. The timeline, we had 90 days. People don't want to work with you forever or in infinitive time to get a result. They want a specific timeline on how long it's going to take them to get a result. And I know you can't ultimately guarantee this, and I understand that, but most people aren't going to sign up with an online coaching offer unless there is a result in a timeline, and you have to show that and depict that, okay? And this doesn't have to be like, I'll give you your money back. And lastly, you need a guarantee. So ours is do everything we say, and if it doesn't work or you don't add $10,000 a month in 90 days, then we'll work with you for free until you do. So I've seen some funny ones where someone would say something like, hey, if you don't get a result, I'll give you a full refund and I'll buy you a burrito, or I'll buy you a pizza, or I'll buy you a beer or something like that, or I'll give you a full refund, or like there can be simple stuff, but you can just go to AI and say, what kind of guarantee can I give? This reduces the risk or the perceived risk they would have. When you offer a guarantee, you just want to be really clear in your terms and conditions exactly what that guarantee means, okay? Because someone can come into your online coaching offer, whether that's business, nutrition, fitness, whatever it is, and if they don't do the work and then they want a refund, kind of doesn't really fly for me. People have to have a crack, they have to have a go, they have to show up to the sessions, they have to implement everything. And then if they still think it sucks or they didn't get a result, yeah, then give them a refund or work with them for free, but there has to be T's and C's, and you have to get a contract on this as well. So your offer, your program has to have core pillars. So ours, compound marketing, sales machine, and the paid ads advantage. That's what we teach inside our mastermind program. And you need to talk about these in your sales conversations, in your offer doc, in your DM, whatever it is. People want to see the process on how they get a result. They don't just want to sign up with you as an online fitness coach, nutrition coach, whatever it is, to grow the business or get fit or whatever it is. They want to see the methodology. So when we send an offer doc or a sales presentation to someone or a VSL, it's like, hey, when you sign up for our mastermind program, tomorrow you're going to get linked up with our client success manager. We have a 90-day roadmap. The first 30 days, you're going to complete compound marketing. In compound marketing, we're going to go through offer, unique mechanism, your message, organic marketing plan, how to do workshops, like all those type of things. And we dot that out so everyone knows as soon as they come into Success School, they're going to get X result and they're going to be on this path. Makes it very clear and easy to sell because it shows that you know your it, and B, they're gonna get a result. So in later videos on this channel, I'm gonna talk about unique mechanisms, how to design them, how to name them, all that type of stuff. But for right now, you just wanna put in here your core pillars on how you get a result. And for us, it is compound marketing, sales machine, and the paid ads advantage. And that's what we teach inside Success School, along with all the coaching. So in summary, guys, you need to have the who, a specific person, a specific problem, a specific way. You have to have an outcome, you have to have a timeline, and you have to have a guarantee. They are the big 6 that you need to have an offer that sells. If you guys need help on your offer, or you want to grow your online coaching business, DM me the word grow on Instagram @RealTimFrey, and we'll see how we can work together in more of a hands-on way.